A scope defines where in a program a variable is visible and accessible. There are two main kinds of scope. This is also known as variable scope. And one is global scope and the other one is local scope. To demonstrate the difference between these two, I'm going to go ahead and create a variable. Call that variable x. Set that equal to 5. I'm going to go ahead and create a function. Call that scope check. I'm also going to create a variable x. Set that equal to 5. And then I'm going to alert that variable's value, which is going to be 5. And then I'm going to invoke it. And I'm also going to alert out the value of the global variable that I created up top. That's going to be alert x. The first variable that I created is known as a global variable. Any variable created outside any functions is known as a global variable. So that variable and the value are available anywhere in the program so that you can access it. Inside of the function I created another variable. It's the same thing. It's variable x, and I'm going to actually set this to 15. So that's a different value, and that's going to be known as local scope. This variable x is only available inside of this function. You'll notice it has the same name as our global variable. Yet when I invoke the function, it will alert 15, and then the next alert, which is grabbing the global variable up top, is going to alert 5. So I'm going to run. We'll see 15. Okay, so that one runs first because it got invoked first. I invoked the function down here. It spits out 15, and the next one spits out 5, which is our variable up here. I can turn the local variable into global so that it's also available anywhere in the program. And all I've got to do to make that happen is delete the var in front of it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this first one here. And now when I alert x, because it can now access the variable inside of the function because I made it global, the scope check when it is invoked is going to alert 15, and then it'll alert 15 again because now I have access to it outside of the function, and we'll see 15 again. So I'm going to run it, 15, and then 15 again.